Thanks for joining us on another adventure with Long Range Hunting Adventures. Today we're heading into the Aorangi Forest Park, where we're going to have around about a 2.5 to 3 hour walk into our AO. From there we look to cross a gully across to a blind they've previously seen. Well, I tell you won't believe that, but just had 3 fellow deer running down the road in front of me. Wasn't fast enough to get the GoPro on. It's really nice to see. We're almost at. On arrival to the car park, the wind has already begun to increase. This evening is expected to be up in excess of 60 km an hour, with gusts as high as 70 km an hour. To my left, he was just bloody decent. Fucking trying to get all the shit sorted. Shooting through some bushes, deer moved off. Just had to take a shot at it. So look, deer's down. I'm going to go across there and cover it. Walk out tonight. So bloody awesome. So we're just back to where we were last time. We saw the deer just down in here, the fallow, and so we've just got to just read here somewhere. So that's the of the back. Today I've got a short placement. It's going to be. It's only 150 yards, but we're shooting through bushes, and yeah, I'm not going to let that one get away. So, all right, catch you shortly. Alright, that was fun coming down through there. As you can see, nice and steep, and however our GoPro never does this justice, so yeah, so it is just up in here somewhere. It's gone and tumbled down, so hopefully we're not too long boning it out, and then I'll have a bit of a feed while it's nice and calm down here, and start making our way back out. I was just thinking before coming down here, it'd be bloody nice to be back in the old bed tonight. So whole thing's GPS, so should I get out with torchlight? We just finished boning out the deer. Grabbed as much meat as we can. This doesn't do it justice, but this is really steep, so for the next 20 minutes we're going to be herding a bit. So right up over there on the ridgeline, and we've got some pretty gnarly terrain to get up through, so Probably got about 100 metres to climb. It's not going to be much fun. So after binding out the deer, we've taken about over 5 hours to get out. It's been drizzling on and off, so I haven't bothered with any footage. There's a couple of utes in the car park, so a couple of people possibly down at the hut, so all good. And yeah, the whole body's going to be a bit sore tomorrow, so yeah, took as much meat as I could, and managed actually to get a lung shot on, so got no damage to any of the front legs, which is brilliant.